Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you something different. I'm sure after watching this video your mind will blow. In this video I'll show you easiest and free way slide anything in your WordPress website with Elementor Free Plugin. Like you can slide, post, cart, content, anything you want, just a few click. And definitely I will do it without a single line of code. So very first I have to install a Elementor add-on whose name is Sina extension for Elementor. Then I have to create some template which I want to show through the slider. Okay, so very first let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. So this is my website. If I scroll down, then you can see this is a slider, and very first I shown the team member, and then another slider where I shown a image, then the text and image. So in this state, after watching this video, you will be able to make this type of amazing slider where you can show anything you want. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, and very fast I have to install a Elementor free add-on. That's why just hover over on plugins and click on add plugin, then search here Sina extension for Elementor. This is the add-on which I am going to use in this tutorial. Just click over here, install now, and activate. After install and activating the add-on, you can see a new option is added in left side menu, Sina extension. If you click over here, the settings, then this is the add-on settings area, and very first settings tab is selected. You have to navigate to the next tab where is the widgets. All widgets are available here. So in this tutorial I am going to use Sina content slider widget. Okay, so if you click this widget like header and footer, then theme builder, basic and the advanced. If you check this advanced section, then you will get the slider like Sina content slider. This is the slider. So if you can see here is disabled, then you have to check it. Just click over here this toggle button and enable it. Now this slider is ready to use. Now we can use it. So before using this slider we have to create some template. Okay, so go to the, again this is the template. You can see just below the Elementor, this is the template, and I have to create some template from here. Okay, so hover on it, then click over here add new, then give the template. So very first you have to select from here section. I want to make some section, then you have to give the name. I want to give here like team. Okay, so this is the team, and create this template. Okay, I can add here a team section. So click this plus icon and flex box. Okay, I want to give like this 4 column, and I can add here the team. Okay, just search here team. You can see this is the Sina team, which widget come from the Sina add-on as well. Just drag and drop here. Okay, you can change this style from here. This is the layout thumb, and if you want, then you can change from here. This is the grid. Now I can remove some text from here. Okay, and I can increase the image size. Just click this pencil icon and style tab, then the image. You can see this is the image, and I want to give it like 100%. Now just copy and paste here. Okay, so copy this widget, copy and paste here. So again I can do it from like this, just duplicate it. Okay, and I want to remove the other column. Okay, then it's perfect. Now I have to change the weight, like it will be give 33. Again it will be 33. Okay, so I think it's perfect. Now publish it. Then again create another template. So again go to the dashboard. From here I can go to the dashboard. This is the template and click again add new. Like I want to give here a section and it will be like post. Okay, so post, then create template. Okay, take any section here, click here and like here search here post. Let's check here where is the post grid, actually post featured image or post content. Okay, just check it. Okay, this is the Cine post meta and post excerpt. Let's check it from here. Okay, I can't see here any post, so I can give here like image box. Just drag and drop here and you can give image here. Just I want to show you how you can use it. Okay, then the publish it. Again go to the website and I want to show the slider here, so edit with Elementor and scroll down. Then I want to add new section here, so click this plus icon, give a new section. Okay, click this plus icon and from the left side top search here Cine content slider. Okay, this is the Cine content slider, just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see now it shows the content, 3 content. Actually I want to give here 1. Just click over here this slider settings and select from here like 1. Okay, this is the one. And again this is the content tab, then the slider content. You can see, just click over here the web development, click here, then you can see use save template. I want to use it. Then you have to choose the template from here. Just click this drop down and I have already added the theme. Just click here and choose it, theme, and you can see the theme is showing. Okay, but theme is not showing completely, so again you have to navigate to the style tab and change the height. Okay, so you can see, just give here 700. Okay, and wait it. Okay, you can see now it's perfect. Then again go to the content tab and another section, graphic design. Okay, so if you want, then you can change here, you can give image from here like background type. I want to give here a background type like image. Choose the image from here and upload it. Okay, select, then I want to give here like this image and open it. From the right side bottom select. Okay, it's worked perfect. Then again go to the slider content and then the digital marketing. If you want, then you can show from the here the template. Just click over here, then choose. Just I want to give here like post. Okay, so you can see, just okay, it works fine. So again I want to give it like full width, so click this 6 dot and from the here select full width and publish it. Finally visit the website and refresh it. Now you can see it works fine. This is the team member. If you navigate it, this is the image, and again this is the post. Okay, where I have added, and if you want, then you can change this text or remove it. Okay, let's check it. This is the graphic design actually, so this is the team and select it, and this is the graphic design. Scroll down, then you can change the text from here or you can remove it if you want to show only image. Okay, so and if you check the style tab, then you will get here from the title, subtitle, you can change the font color, font family. Okay, just you have to keep in mind, you have to install the Cine extension, then create the template from the Elementor. Okay, then you can show it with the Cine content slider, and just you have to select this content again web development and you have to enable it. Use save template and just select the template from here. Thanks for watching the video.